that I was feeling better, and I have chronic health issues, like I have autoimmune and all kinds of things. And he said, I said, what do you think it is? Because I've made some changes. And he said, well, it's been about since we've had the cookware. And it just dawned on me that was very true. I was like, that is exactly what the difference is. So just wanted to encourage you guys with that.
Wow.
It's definitely, and one of the biggest symptoms that I have several, was kind of almost narcoleptic. So sometimes I'd wake up, and then about 10 o'clock I would just be like really ready to go to sleep. And you can ask my kiddos. I would just sometimes just be like, you guys, I have to go lay down. If I don't go lay down, I'm gonna pass out. So that hasn't happened in a long time. In the beginning, it was sort of hit or miss happening, but I have not had that happen in several months. And we've been cooking with Salad Masters since about May of 2022. So a little over
almost 2 years.
Almost 2 years,
yeah. And you said digestive issues have improved?
Yes, digestion.
Awesome.
And also thinking, the brain gut health I'm very familiar with, and have been trying to focus on that. And I think my memory and communication is a little bit better, because I'm one of those that's like
heavy metals.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah,
so I
right.
need to do that.
Exactly. Well, thank you. So I didn't know that till tonight. So I said, would you share that? Isn't that awesome, right? And Lee.
Nutrition for the first time, she's able to eat
good
food
stuff.
that's not dead.
That's right. That's right. And Lee, what were you saying? That it reminded you of like when you tasted the difference in the toxicity?
I will never forget that. And we've done it twice. You remember, because I brought my daughter and then we did my friend. And when everybody brought their different pots, I mean, every pot had a horrible taste.
Yeah, and different.
And
from
I was
each
like,
other.
oh my gosh. And these were expensive pots.
Yeah.
It blew me away.
And it reminded you.
It immediately reminded me of cancer. Chemo.
Yeah.
It was the worst chemo that came in. And you tasted it. So you tasted the metal immediately.
Yeah.
But for me to taste it just on that little taste of the baking soda.
Right.
That was, I mean, I just, it was, it's
And yet not in ours. And yet not.
Some of the most expensive ones were the worst.
Yeah.
If that's in your
the same
food,
way. Yes.
if that's what you're cooking, no wonder it tastes
Yeah.
horrible.
And